Today I'm going to show you how to use a master document in Microsoft Word. So this is how you use a master document in Microsoft Word. On the left hand side, you will see File, Home, Insert. You're going to see this ribbon and you're going to look for View. Now once you go into View, you will come down here and look for Outline. Once you've opened Outline, you can literally create something that you'll be able to reuse. So let's start on level 1, and here we are going to add in our title. Let's say our title is the same each time, or we can just use this as a placeholder. You can then go and push enter. You'll jump to the next line, go here on the top and click on level 2. This will be a subheading of this title. So let's just say, for example, subtitle, and hit enter. Then we want to go level 3, and here we want to say heading. Now, once you've done this, you can go and select or highlight, and you can change all of the settings of that exact title, subtitle, or heading. So over here, we're going to make this 12. Let's make it a little bit larger. Here, we are going to make this subtitle. We are going to make it 24. And this title, we can actually just go to the Home tab here. The title, we are going to make 36. Now, what essentially will happen here is you can create this, and then you can go back to Home. And here you can create, so if we go just to outlining, so close outlining view, here we can go and we can start our paragraph. And this paragraph, as well as whatever other edits you make here, will now become your master file or your master document. So now simply go up to File on the top left, go to Save As. On the left hand side, you can click on your location that you would like to save this. I would like to save it in my PC, and then you can literally look for where you'd like to save it. Now, just for example's sake, I'm going to save it in downloads, but you should create a folder that says master files, master documents, whatever it is. Go ahead, give it a name. So I'm going to call it master 1. Click on save, and now every single time you need to create a document with this format, you can go ahead into File, click on Open, look for your master file, and open it up. Here it is, and you can then edit it and build it thereafter.